web is there are lots of information, but how to get a required information from the internet? So you can use a search engine which help you to retrieve the relevant information to you. Another, we can say, it is a program that searches the document over the internet, and you have to provide the input as a keywords. So user has to provide the keyword, and search engine brings the related information from the internet to the user. We can also use.
I think one interrupt for that.
Yes.
What is the keyword for that? You say lightly say that. What is the keyword basically, and how you give this an example for that?
Okay.
How we can put in this in a keyword in this in a particularly in a search engine over that, and how to be getting the fast information for that in this in a basically in this in a web over that, because you say that in the keyword is basically is a for the in a specific good term for that, because the in this in a through this in a keyword you say that is we can retrieve the information for our required information as per our requirement we can getting over that. Means what is the keyword basically?
Yes, keyword is very important words which user has to specify, and from which the search engine will search the results from the internet. So keyword is a word that user has to specify to get a particular required information. We can take an example. Suppose user want to search for what is a wireless networking, right? Say user want to search for what is a wireless networking, then user has to provide the keyword like a wireless and a networking. So we can say these two are the keywords. So keywords are the words, we say the prefix is key and the suffix is words. So important is these are the words which are very important as per the what kind of information user want. So user has to specify what actually user want by the keywords. So keywords are the important words related to that user means information related to keyword user is looking for. So keywords are the important word which regarding or related to that kind of information user is looking for.
Okay, one thing for that, if I want to this find out over that in this in our Gujarat, which are the university should be offer this in a computer related course over that, how we can put in this in a keyword in this in a basically in this in a particular you can say that in a search engine, which are the keyword, these are the, if you can find out for that, which are the computer related courses can be in a workout for this in a particular university over that, how we can find out for that?
Okay, so if you are looking for a list of universities in the Gujarat which provide the computer related education, I think there are the two important keywords are, one is a computer and another is a university, right? So if you provide, or you can also provide the education as a third keywords, so that way you will get a list of universities in the Gujarat which provide the computer related educations. Say if you are looking for engineering colleges in the Gujarat which provide computer, you can provide the computer as a keyword, or you can provide computer engineering as a keyword and the colleges as a keyword, and that may give you the list of the engineering colleges in the Gujarat which provide the computer related educations.
Okay, I think also one thing over that. Okay, if I can find out for that, how many banking can be banking facilities can be available in this particular city. For an example, in our Gandhinagar, how many banking facilities can be available? Which are these banks can be available in this in our Gandhinagar city? How we can find out through this specifically through this keyword? Which are the keyword is required for that?
So in that case, the keywords are, one is Gandhinagar because you are looking for in that
good.
area,
Yeah,
and another is a keyword we can say banking.
Oh, good.
And that may list you the list of the banking websites in the Gandhinagar area.
Okay, it means you can say that those things should be important. We can put as a keyword.
Keyword, yes.
Yes. And basically we can any of this thing we can find out for that. This thing should be important. We can put one thing over that we can say that list out for that. If these are the word can be used as a keyword over that, it should be beneficial to searching for that. What is something what is the facilities can be provided in the particular university, which are the courses is available in this in a particular, these are the which, what, how, these are the word we can say that in the keyword for that.
You can put those kind of one in the keyboard, but it will give you the long list of result list.
Oh.
And basically you need to narrow down those lists to get a good quality and required information.
Oh.
So you can put whatever, you can put any kind of words in a keyword. Actually there is no restriction, but it will give you the long list of results.
Okay.
And it will take long time to narrow down your required information. So user has to choose keyword very is a important thing, that user has to provide very important keywords to the search engine, so that search engine provide the relevant results.
Okay, good. We have this in a sufficient information. What is the keyword? How we can search engines can be in a word for that.
Okay, so as we have discussed the search engine, there are also the example of search engine are Google, right? Yahoo, Amazon. These are the important. There are many search engines. These are the one of the important search engines which people generally use.
These are the basically search engine means in these are Google and the Yahoo, only the two search engine available
No.
nowadays.
No, there are many search engines available, but these are the popular search engines that people are using. Otherwise, there are the long list of search engines
Okay.
which people can use, right?
But these are the, I think, in a user-friendly search engines can be available over
Yes,
that.
yes.
Okay. How we can work for that in a search engine?
If you want to use search engine effectively, you must know how to use search engine, right? So if you look at how to use search engine, the important is one, the user has to give the query, right? So user has to give the query to the search engine. Say example is say google.com. So user has to give some keywords, that is called a query to the search engine, right? So your query goes to the Google web server, and Google web server will forward your query to the index server. Now what is index server? Index server is a kind of we can say it's prepare the index of an internet. So we can take an analogy to understand index server is a kind of, we can say, index available on the backside of book. We generally know there is an index on the backside of book which consists of the words and the page number. So if you are looking for some particular words where the information regarding particular word is available in the book, what we do, we go to the back of a books, we search the word in the index, and we get a page number. And from that page number we get relevant information of that keyword. So it is the same kind of idea, that the index server is index of all the resources available on the internet. We cannot say all the resources, but most of the resources have an index on the index server. So what index server do is, index server search for a user keyword and find out where the resources are available, and index server will forward the link to the resources to the document server, and this document server will forward the link of the relevant resources of an keyword to the user. So within a fraction of a second, user will get the list of the link to the relevant resources. Another slide I have which provide the detailed information about how the search engine works. Here the same kind of idea is, from the search engine user send the query is a consist of keyword. What search engine do is, search engine generally forward this keyword to the index. This is the index, as we have discussed in the previous slide, and this index is prepared by the indexer. So indexer is a program which look at the internet and prepare the index. It's also update the index. So from the index, the search engine will get what are the location of resources corresponding to the user keyword, and this list of result will be retrieved from the index to search engine, and search engine will forward this to the user. So user will get what are the location of resources.
Okay, you say that should be in an index search can be used over that. I think we mean for that those should be in information should be in a higher priority. It should be in a put in a first one, second priority, second one, third one. It should be in a work by this in an indexer.
Yes. So indexer is basically has an index of all the resources. So it has an index of all kind of keywords. But as per the user input keyword, the indexer will look for those keywords on the index.
Okay. And you say that in the last example, if you can find out how many bankings can be available in the Gandhinagar, first of all, you can put in this in a Gandhinagar, then the bank. It should be in a required, we can replacing for that Gandhinagar banking and the Gandhinagar and the banking. Which are the important things?
No. Actually what happen when you provide the two words, it will look for both keywords. It will say if you have given the query as a Gandhinagar and the banking, so it will look for all the resources where these two terms are occurring. Whenever the search engine find that the particular resources has a both word, the Gandhinagar and the banking, it will give you that as a result.
Okay, but some people should be in a put for that banking, then Gandhinagar.
Okay.
So another people should be in a give this in a Gandhinagar and the banking. Any of the different in this in a results, any role for that in a indexer in this in a matter for that?
No. That I think that will give you the similar kind of result.
Oh,
There will
yeah.
be no more difference in the results.
Okay, then we can go for that. How we can efficiently search for that?
Yes.
How we can getting the fast result for that basically? How to be in a basically key role for that in a search engine to be in a effectively, efficiently, and the speedily we can getting the result. How to be in a work for that?
Yes, so there are many techniques available on the search engine which search engine provides to modify the query, we can say. So user can modify the query to get the good results, because ultimate idea is to narrow down your research, right? Because until and unless you do not narrow down, you need a lots of time to look at all the resources, right? So yes, the idea is to use a search engine smartly, right? How to do smart use of search engine. So one thing is, when you open the search engine, right, this slide say when you open the search engine, you have a Google, right? So there are many options available. This is an example of Google Scholar, right?
Okay, I think in this your screen for that in the basically wireless network over that in this I think in a use for the Google Scholar over that. What is the thing over that in this in a particular our screen for that in a basically to be in a getting for that in this in a we getting the information in this in the how we can the particularly indexings can be happen in this in a document for that.
Okay, so indexing part is actually is a different, right? Indexing is an index done by the index server, or we can say indexer, and that is preparing the index for all kind of document available on the internet. Here it is a Google Scholar, which is generally used by the researcher to get the research document from the academia. So here idea is, whenever you provide the keyword, here example is a wireless networking, so it will retrieve all the document which contain the wireless and networking keywords appearing. So there is any document where there is a two words wireless networking, it will appear on the list. But if you want to looking for a recent research papers on the wireless networking, you can use the year also. So there is an attribute, we can say here you can provide the time parameter. So time parameter, maybe you can provide like a since 2013, you will get all the document which are available since 2013. You can also provide the custom range. What is the custom range? There you can provide from and to field, say from 2010 to 2012, you will get all the documents which are published or available on the internet since 2010 to 2012. There are also option available like a relevance to your keyword, or it is a sort by date. So as per that you will get a sorting. Sometimes you want the most relevance result, then you have to choose search by relevance. You will get the first document in the list which is most relevant to your query. Sometimes you want the latest information, maybe not relevant, more relevant to your keywords, then you can choose sort by time. So you will get the most recent one first, then second, likewise. You can also, there are the option, whether you want to include the patents, whether you want to include some citations. So that those kind of important things. Here we can see here at the end of each result you will get a citation, right? Citation. So what is a citation? Citation is used to check whether this particular document is referred by some other researchers in their research or not. So from that you can see if the citations are more, you can say this is a very important document. So important is how to get a most important document, good quality document from the internet. So looking to the citation, looking to the recent one, you can filter your search. So important is how to narrow down. So these are the few attributes. Using that you can narrow down your search, and you can get your quality document within a short time. So that is important. Another way of doing the smart search is to modify the query. So there are many query modifiers are available. Like these are the few of them. We can say in title is one of the query modifier, all in title, in URL, all in URL, all in text. So what is the meaning of this? So if you take an example of in title, so what will happen when you instead of let's say example, if you fire the networking on the key as a keyword, you will get long list of document related to the networking. But suppose you are looking for a document in which the networking words appear in a title of a document. So you can use this query modifier in title networking. So what will happen? You will get the list of the document which have a networking in a title. So here we query is a networking wireless. So we will get all the document which have a networking in a title and wireless is appearing anywhere in the document. So this is how you can narrow down your search, right? Another modifier is query using site. Suppose sometimes you know that particular website is good for particular resources, right? Say MIT.edu is a very good website where you can get a good quality of document. Now you want to search on the MIT.edu only. You do not want the document from the other part of an internet, right? So what you can do is you can provide your keyword, say here is a wireless networking, and then you use the site keyword, site : www.mit.edu. So search engine will only look for the wireless networking document on this particular site. So this will give you the few results only, but from the MIT.edu. So this is the best, I think. If you know where you are looking for information, you can use site and you can get those documents which are relevant to your research. Another is file type, right? Sometimes you want particular type of document only, sometimes you want PDF files only, sometimes you want doc file only. So this is again you can use the query modifier called a file type. So you have to write your keyword, say wireless networking, and you have to provide file type : PDF. So it will give you the result which are the file type PDF resources only. So this is it's an important query modifier, right? Another is the define. Suppose you are looking for definition, then you can use the define : the keyword. Say here example is a define : computer. So you will get the definition of computer. So if you do not use define word, if you write only computer, you will get the thousands, or you can say lakhs of results where you have to search for where the information is, right? You have to look for many different resources to look for the definition, but define is a keyword which makes your job easy. So there are many kind of modifiers you can use. Now general problem is what search engine is. Actually we have seen how search engine works, right? So suppose you are looking for a wireless sensor network, right? Suppose you are looking for a wireless sensor network, and if you give this as a query, wireless sensor network, then the search engine will retrieve all the document which contain wireless word, sensor word, and a network word. Whether it is appearing in a one sentence, Google engine is not looking, right? What Google engine or what any kind of search engine is looking, whether the wireless, sensor, and networks, three words are available in the document or not. If they are available anywhere in the document, it will retrieve that result and it will give you the user. And user might not interested in that kind of document. What is the user interest is user want to search for a resources or a document where this keyword are this is a wireless sensor network regarding information is available. So what user can do is user can put this in the quotation mark, double quotation marks. We can say it is a phrase searching, right? So if you put in a double inverted comma wireless search network, the search engine will retrieve or will give only the documents in which this whole group of or bunch of keywords are available. So you will get the relevant information.